Changing your payout method on American National Bank and Trust is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American National Bank and Trust website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Payout Method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose New Payout Method. Select the option to change or update your payout method. You may be presented with various options such as direct deposit, check, or electronic transfer. Choose your preferred method. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review the details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the update. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure that the new payout method is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, contact customer support for assistance.